Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to discuss URL parameter in a React Router DOM. So this is I think 10th video in a React Router DOM series. I have already created a lot of videos on React Router DOM series, and if you haven't watched those videos, I will provide the playlist link in the description so that you can watch the entire React Router DOM series. So in this video we are going to discuss a URL parameter in a React Router DOM, and the concept of URL parameter I have little bit discussed in this video, in which I have explained the nested routing, but I haven't explained in the deep. Okay, so in this video we are going to cover a URL parameter in a deep. Okay, so as you can see I have a new section here, and if you click on export it will get a render. This string is getting a render. So this string basically coming from this URL. So this is the parameter we are passing and dynamically. So basically overall we have created a dynamic route here, and this route is created. This route will change whenever you switch between the different topics. Okay, so if you do politics, business, weather. Okay, so I will give you basic idea because the code is already there related to this topic, and if you are following the React Router DOM series, then you might have this code. Okay, so in the nested route we have implemented this logic to implement a nested route. Okay, in a React router. So we have a child component in which I am passing the news ID dynamically. Okay, dynamically we are passing the news ID, and in a news topic we are just displaying the news ID. So the news ID nothing but this ID, the sports. Okay, the last one is sports, politics. So these are all the news ID. Okay, and we are displaying simply here. So this is what you are seeing here. Okay, now this is the one way to access the URL parameter. Okay, so you can use the use param hook, which is introduced by a React Router DOM, to access the URL parameter. Now if your route is registered, okay, so this route is registered here in a news.js. So we have another way also to access the URL parameter, and we have to do some more modification here. So I will comment these two things, and I will do it will be help closing, and we'll have the component, and then I will pass the news topic. Okay, we can still see it is working as usual. Okay, no difference. Now I will come over here and I will pass the props and log, and let's see in the console what we are seeing in the console. So you can see in the console that we have got some props here from the React router because the route is registered. So we can also use the match property, match dot params dot news ID. Okay, so instead of doing this, I'm just commenting here. Instead of doing this, we can also do match props dot match dot params dot news ID. Okay, so let's see. So still we don't have any issue. Okay, you can see that we don't have any issue with this approach, but this approach is only recommended if the route is registered. If route is not registered, then this approach is not recommended. Then you have to go with this approach only. Use params hooks. Okay, and you can also do a little bit shorter syntax. So you can basically do here like match. You can destructure the match and you can get rid of the props. So this will also work. Let's comment the console. So this will also work. So uh, so I hope you understand the concept of URL parameter in a React router DOM. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe the channel as well. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.